So any business, if you're creating for any events on Google, and you can using for Facebook also. If you're creating for any events on Google, particular business education events, we can use option called is Google Maps. Why? Because any company when click for any user, just you can update, they check first of all your post option. So what are the current events will be running on your profile? Everything will check on your Google Map. So first you can go to your profile of Google Map. In this option call is create a post. In this select option call is event. Select option call is event. Any event, first of all, display images must and should be important. Image is guru for your event. Select your image. Add your image. So image specification is very important to the create an event time. So image will be cross check, display properly. Just simple drag and drag. So click for upload in this option. After that, add your event details. So in this event detail, we can writing for event title. After that, event date. End with add your event time. 7:30. We'll finish for 9:30 for this finish. So after adding for any kind of events, last final one is called your add your button option. That is called click for sign up. Why? Because they can even your pay for sign up option. Just copy this URL. Just add your location. So everything will be ready. So simple one here. So people can understand purpose. So title will be done. Create here. Now click for select all post. Click for publish your event. Any event you can create on your Google Map also will using for clear screen. So people have question, how many events we can create on Google Map? You can create n number of events using for Google Map also. They will display by when people searching for your map, they watch your events, current event and schedule event also. The schedule will be any time after 1 month and after week. Everything will be post schedule. Pre-schedule will be not allowed. Only for post schedule by 2 days, after 3 days, 5 days, after 7 days or 1 month also applicable by the Google Maps. They display by your in this. But showing for sign up. When you click sign up, they go to your website. They register by your event name, phone number, email address. Select your course. Click for message. So this is called create event on Google using for website Google Business Mapping.